we're gonna go to Reffen, guys. And Reffen, that is a place here where you can eat different kinds of street food from different countries. And yeah, and maganda pumunta doon kasi it's just outdoor. So, pwede pumunta doon kahit wala na muna ang corona test. But of course, we need to have a mask. Do we need to have a mask?
Only if you go to the bathroom.
Ah, okay. So in that place, also no need to have a mask. Only when we go to the bathroom. Pero syempre, we still have to be careful. Yeah, we still have to be careful because corona is still there. But
It's actually a stupid thing going on, to be honest.
you think so?
Yeah.
Then where we should go then?
I'm just, you know...
Yeah, but anyway, I don't know if we're going or not going because apparently it's stupid. But why did you send yes to this?
I do a lot of stupid things. We also married,
You're so
remember?
annoying. Then we just have to have mask on, even if it's okay not to. We have to have mask on. So anyway, we're on our way there, and yeah, excited for the food. But I don't think there's so much people there right now. I mean, it's too early.
Too early, it's 1 o'clock.
Yeah,
It's lunchtime.
yeah. Normally people are gonna go. I mean, people.
I will put it so far. If we cannot get a place to park, then we go. But if we can get a place to park, we go in.
Okay.
That's gonna be the
Yeah,
definition.
but where are we gonna eat if ever?
Then I'll find a very nice pizzeria
Yeah,
called
but,
Otto. I want to try that.
yeah, but we're not allowed to go inside and eat.
Oh, then we gotta go get tested.
Ah, fuck that. So anyway, yun yung aming gagawin, guys. And let's see if there's so much people in there, then we're not going in. But if it's manageable kind of people, then we go in and we will enjoy our food because it's 12:39 now and we have not been having our lunch yet. I didn't have any breakfast too, so I'm actually really hungry. But it's been a crazy morning. It's because for the first time we woke up so late, and I'm supposed to be going to my Brazilian friend at around 11, but we woke up like 10:30, so we couldn't make it at that time. So we had to, like, I had to contact her and say we're late. And just when we're about to go, I couldn't find my wallet. And in that wallet, it's like everything is there. You know, all the cards, the bank cards, the visa, everything.
It's
is
not an
there.
exciting story, Sia. Can you tell it
Whatever.
again?
And so I was like, okay, where was it? So I was like, you know, getting nervous and all that, panicking. And it turned out it was just in my small makeup bag. And Martin said he put it there just to prank me.
I did not.
Yeah, that's what he
There's
said.
also another exciting. When we were about to go out the door, remember what happened?
I spent so long just wondering.
Hello guys, katatapos lang namin pumunta dun sa Reffen, and I'm telling you guys, there were so much people at hindi na ako nag-video masyado dun kasi sobrang daming tao, and it was also very very warm. Tapos pag parang pagbibili ka ng pagkain, ng daming, I mean, there's a lot of small stalls there that you can buy the food, but every stalls there's a lot of long lines. And then yung bilihan din ng drinks is din, sobrang, basta, grabe, ang busy. Pero nakakain kami doon. Yung binili namin is yung Indian food because I wanted to eat something with rice. So yun, tapos yung Indian area na yun yung parang hindi masyadong madaming tao. So doon kami It was an okay food, pero sa
It
drinks,
was tasteless,
I think it was okay.
but it didn't taste of anything.
Yeah, because you want everything to be
Taste.
super chili flavored. So anyway, it was an okay food, but I will not buy it again. Next time I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna try something else, because there's really a lot of different kinds of food. There are some food from Argentina, from Poland, from Africa, from Nepal, all those kind of things. And there's actually also sushi, but I was like, okay, I wanted to try something different and something with rice, so that's why I choose it. It was okay, but the drinks, my god, I wanted to have more drinks, pero pag bibili ka, lalain ka na naman doon. So I'm like, okay, it's fine. So now we're back in our car and we're driving towards the mall. Magpapaginaw kami doon, magpapalamig kami doon. Like in the Philippines, if it's too warm, you go to the mall for aircon.
It's no more.
Well, there is a mall. Maybe we will go to the mall, but we're gonna go beside the mall. There is like a shop there or something like that. So that's what we're gonna do.